The Prophet said, if a man spends on his family to have a reward from Allah, sincerely for Allah's sake, then it is a kind of almsgiving in reward for him. How does Islam teach us to resolve conflicts with our parents? Faith. First, Islamic foundation for families. Defending Muslim families. Faith with taqwa and tawheed. Islamic training for Muslim boys. The role of a Muslim son. Empowering confident Muslim daughters. The role of a Muslim husband. The role of a Muslim wife. Responsibilities of a wife. You can buy these books on Amazon and from Darussalam, Canada, or visit QuranExplains.com.